We believe in providing balance of fast and slow, where prairie meets city and urban meets suburban, where you'll find indoor getaways and outdoor adventures with discovery and delight at every turn. We believe in unity, understanding, and uniqueness. We believe in diversity and inclusion, where respect, kindness, and courtesy rule. We believe in holding friends and family close in the spaces that host life's big and little moments. When neighbors become friends, life becomes elevated, and community is created when the places we call home are shared. This is Painted Prairie, a fresh, unexpected community with homes from 8 world-class builders and world-class people from all walks of life. We are a community unlike any other. Explore today and let us welcome you home.